Hello everyone, this is me Anmol. Welcome to my channel Code Life with Anmol. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple CRUD application in Node.js, particularly in Express.js, using your AI power. By AI power, I'll be using Copilot for the Visual Studio Code. I have already installed and I have bought a subscription of that also. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with creating a new project. I'll be creating a new folder here. Let's open, right, desktop. Let's create a new folder here. Let's use this one. Rename it node crud, right? Okay, so let's open the folder here. That folder was in desktop node crud, right? So first step would be to install and start with init. Let's do with npm init, package name, right, version, this git repository, keyword, author. Yes. Okay, so packet.json has been created. Let's install express here. Let's do install npm ins npm install express here. Sorry, it would be npm install express. Let's, okay, it's been installed. Now the real magic will start from here. I'm going to open my Copilot chat prompt. Make sure you are into the Copilot edit. Let's start creating an entry. Create a script to start the app. Okay, so node dot, it's been created. Now let's create this. Create app.js to start the app. Okay, you can see it's been created. Let's keep this. Let's try to save it. Save it. Let's try to run this. Okay, we already have that terminal open. Npm start. If I go to localhost, see, this has been created. Now let's assume we'll use a table called books, and we'll create a CRUD operation for the books and the routes to navigate that and use those. So let's start with creating, right, let's use the mongoose for this. Create db connection for mongoose with db name youtube crud. Okay, so I have given it to be used in app.js. It will be created in app.js. Okay, let's keep this and save it. Now let's create a model in a separate folder. Create model in model folder for table books. Remember, I'm using the basic one. You can add the fields also here in the prompt. So that it's taking its time. Here we go. We have this now. So it has published title, author, published date, and pages, right? Let's keep this. Now, next step would be create CRUD operations. Create CRUD operations in folder name operations for this model. I'm using this model because this file book.js is already opened. It may take some time and we get the operations, right? We have new book save, find, ID, get all books. Okay, perfect. So the next step would be creating the routes for the same. Create routes for CRUD operations in folder name routes. Let's save this one also. Okay, now we have this routes also, and it's updating app.js as well to use the routes, right? Let's keep all this, save it out. You can see get all books, get a book by ID, update book by ID, delete a book by ID, and it has updated on this slash books. Let's try to navigate into this slash books. Okay, I think we need to restart our server. Okay, so there is an error. Mongoose is not fine. Right. Let's install Mongoose first. Is it in package? No. Let's try to install Mongoose. Install Mongoose. Okay. Let's try to restart it. Connect it to DB. Right. Very good. And when we go to books, okay, we can see all books. There's no entry here. Let's try to connect to localhost. Here you can see a new one is created. Let's try to add. Can we use one simple thing? Give me a command in curl to insert sample box. Can it do that? Let's check this out. Right. It has given me a command. Let's try to copy and run it. Stop it. We took 3 3. No, we. Okay. Sorry. Let's start it out and let's try to run this. Okay, it says it's been added. Let's go to this. Try to. Okay, we have this value. It should be refreshed from here as well. Where can I refresh this? Should be. I don't know. Oh, it's been time since I have used this. So, okay. Closing and opening, you can see a new data has been created. You can get this from any of your operations and routes. We add this, right? We'll get the single array, single object with this name. Cool. So this is how you can create a simple CRUD operation app in Express.js using the power of AI in VS Code and GitHub Copilot. Let me know if you have any query or if you need me to show you any other AI powers using Copilot. So until then, keep coding, be happy, and do comment it out how do you like this video. Thank you. Bye.